Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a watch list on Yahoo Finance. Let's get started. Go to yahoo.com and make sure you're logged into your account. At the top of the page, you'll find the Finance option. Click on it to be taken to the Yahoo Finance homepage. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu. Click on the Markets tab. To add a stock to your watch list, let's use the S&P 500 as an example. Once you're on the S&P 500 page, look for the Follow button and click on it. After clicking Follow, a small window will pop up. In this window, click on Create New to start a new watch list. You'll then see a field where you can type the name of your watch list. Enter a name that makes sense to you, such as My Favorite Stocks or Investment Portfolio. Once you've named your watch list, click the Create button. To view your watch list, return to the home page. At the top, you'll see the Watch List option. Click on it, and you'll be able to see all your saved watch lists. And that's how you create a watch list on Yahoo Finance. Now, you can easily track your favorite stocks and stay updated on their performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.